What are we gonna do?
Hey, sissy! What up? What up? Are you shooting? Yeah! Of course I am, for YouTube!
Cut!
What? We're gonna put the laundry on a rack. Wait, someone already did it. And they did the grill. Wait, where's our mushed up food?
That's the most oddest thing.
Look at our puppy. Puppy.
A big blob of ravioli.
Me too. At first I did, and then I noticed it was our cute little blob of cream.
What a coincidence! That's just crazy talk. I thought it was ravioli.
Look at the pretty trees, and the pretty house, and pretty stuff. Even the boat, and our puppy. Please, people, help Pepperidge Farm. Yes, we're very poor. We can't buy a mansion, which we want when we were 98, but we're 100.
We only live in a dang darn boat.
Yeah, and look, it's moldy. It has water in it. See, watch this. Ooh, our van.
We live near the beach.
Yeah, that's the only good part that we have a boat. We could sail, even though we don't know how to sail, which I don't get. Well, see you on the next YouTube episode.